And overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 29, verses 16 up to 18. Laban had two daughters. Leah was older than Rachel, but her eyes didn't sparkle, while Rachel was beautiful and had a good figure. Since Jacob was in love with Rachel, he answered, "If you let me marry Rachel, I will work 7 years for you." So in this passage, both Rachel and Leah were introduced. So it said that Rachel, the younger sister, is far more beautiful than the older. Hmm? Maybe even today, the younger, see, are more beautiful than the elder. Maybe because of distribution of work. And of course, the older had more responsibility than the younger. So the younger had more time to do some beauty regimen. Meanwhile, those older had a lot of household chores. And Jacob loved Rachel.